This is Jesús, Manuel, Mena, Garza. I hope you are having an excellent day. Today I'm going to review the V1E triple action ball head from Benro. Here are some quick specs. You can pause this video at any time. The V1E can hold up to 22 pounds, stands almost 4 inches high, and weighs almost a pound. A 90-degree notch allows you to quickly place your camera in portrait orientation. The ball's movement is controlled by a large locking knob with a friction control wheel, and the 360 panning is controlled by another lock. Here is a close-up of the locking knob and the gray friction control wheel. You can control the amount of friction by using a coin or the tip of your finger. A small knob controls panning. In the intermediate levels of friction, it can be a bit rough, but when fully released, the action is very smooth. An Arca-Swiss style quick clamp and QR plate allow for fast camera attachment and removal. The design helps prevent accidental release of the QR plate and camera. By pulling and rotating the knob, the QR plate can be released. Here's the bottom side of the plate. Attaching the plate is a relatively simple affair. This is an old design, decades old, and is very reliable. Here's a view of the bottom of the Dring QR plate and the top. Those two notches that you see there ensure that the plate will not slide off the ball head. Here's a view of the knob that controls the plate and locks it in. To the left is the knob that locks in the plate, and to the right, the bubble level. This blue band rotates freely. Does not lock in place, it's just for reference. Here is the 360-degree panning lock. It's easy to engage and tighten with just one finger. I placed my old workhorse 500 ELM Hasselblad, which weighs 5 pounds, on top of this ball head. It had no problem with the Hassie. Here is my Nikon D800, and again, no problem. This camera only weighs 3 pounds. The ball head can handle 22. This has been Jesús Manuel Mena Garza. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.